Here's how to make $100 a day online with this simple proven method. Plus, this will only take you about half an hour of work per day, which makes it a great side hustle to get started with. Don't skip this video. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So there's a lot of different ways to making money online, right? You can sell products, you can sell courses, you can sell a service, you can do drop shipping, you can do stock trading and all of that, right? There's so many different ways for you to really make money online. But in my opinion, one of the best ways to get started is to do affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. It's really as simple as that. So if somebody is selling a $100 product and he's offering a 40% commission per sale to his affiliates, then you as the affiliate will make $40. Really as simple as that. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing, but more precisely with Mindvalley's affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what Mindvalley is, it is an online website that provides a ton of personal development, self-development classes, and they've been around for a really long time, and they have a ton of different programs or classes or courses that they provide for a fixed membership. As you can see, they have courses on how to build confidence, how to improve your focus, on leadership, on meditation, on mind power, on parenting, self-love, and so many different courses that they provide, so many different classes in the self-help niche. And as you can see, they have a ton of students enrolling for their courses. As I said, it's a very popular website who've been around for a really long time. And Mindvalley is kind of really affordable. They cost around $1.36 per day, but you're actually gonna pay this per month. So $1.36 per day, that comes to around $40 to $45 per month, which comes to around $300 per year. And to become a member of Mindvalley, you would have to take the annual membership. And as an affiliate, you would make 30% of that. As you can see on the affiliate page here, their average order value is around $300, and you as an affiliate would make 30% of that. So if you decide to promote Mindvalley, you will make up to $100 per day promoting this particular product, and which is the title of this video, how to make $100 a day online. And as I've said, Mindvalley is very popular. A lot of people already know the brand, which makes it easier to convert people to this kind of product. So how exactly are you going to promote this? So what I'm going to show you step by step in this video is how to create content around the self-development niche, how to create content consistently every single day. This will only take you about half an hour of work per day. And as you create more and more content online, you will start building more and more traffic, which you will then redirect to your affiliate offer and start earning $100 a day. So how exactly are you going to create content online? You're going to do it through YouTube. YouTube is one of the best traffic sources out there. It's the second biggest website on the planet in terms of traffic, right after Google. And it's also one of the best kinds of traffic out there because it's not just YouTube is not just a video sharing website. It's also a search engine. People go on YouTube to find solutions to their problem. So this really makes it one of the best traffic sources to use as an affiliate marketer. So what exactly you're going to do is you're going to create videos in the personal development niche. You're going to go and find what are the kind of questions that people have in that niche, what are the things that they're looking for on YouTube, and then you're going to create videos around those keywords. And that's how you're going to build traffic over time. So for example, if we go on YouTube, something that they will usually ask is how to improve confidence, because if we go on Mindvalley, you see that they have courses and classes about different topics. As you can see, there's confidence, eating well, emotional mastery, meditation. So you can create content around all those different keywords. And to know what exactly people are searching for, you can type something like how to improve confidence, and basically this is something that you know people are searching for, and you can create content around this. Or you can simply search what else are people looking for, how to improve confidence in speaking, how to improve confidence level, you can create a video about that. How to improve confidence in front of a girl, you can create a video about that. How to improve confidence and communication skills, how to improve confidence in public speaking. So there's so many things that people are searching for, and you can create content around. So if we add, let's say, the letter A, you'll see that there are a bunch of the things that YouTube are telling us that people are searching for on YouTube. How to improve confidence at work, how to improve confidence as a leader, how to improve confidence as a coach. So those are all the different keywords that you can create content around and really target. And this is just for the keyword confidence. As you can see, there's a lot of different keywords in the self-development niche that you can create content around. So how exactly are you going to create this type of contents? As I've said, it's very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to do something similar to this channel here, Ways and How. They got over 1.8 million subscribers, and basically they have a lot of videos in the health niche. And if you watch some of their videos, you will see that the creator behind this YouTube channel does not show his face. A lot of his videos is simply stock footage, stock photos and stock videos, copyright-free photos and videos that they've combined together to create those kind of videos. And he's targeting specific keywords in the health niche, which is exactly what you should be doing as well in your niche. And as you can see, those videos are really not that hard to create. I'm going to show you in a minute how he created those, but he basically used a special software that, combine all those pictures and videos together to create those 6-minute long videos or 10 minutes long videos. So let's start and let's see step by step how you're going to do this whole thing, okay? Step one is you're going to have to do keyword research in your niche. Now, what I'm showing you in this video is for the personal development niche. This can be applied for any other niche out there. So the step number one is to do keyword research. Just like I just showed you on YouTube on how you type how to improve confidence, you're going to do something similar for other keywords as well. And you want to have a huge list of keywords that you can create content around. So that's step number one, to create a list of keywords that people are searching for on YouTube. Step number two now is to research content. As I've said, you will need to create videos in that particular niche. Maybe you're not well versed in the personal development niche, which is understandable. So what you're going to do in order to be able to create those videos, you will have to have content to create those videos from, right? So what you can do, you can simply go on Google and type in any specific keywords that you're trying to create a video around. For example, I type in how to build confidence, and you see there's a bunch of different websites that showed up around this particular topic. And what you can do is you can simply open one of those websites and simply go through what it says in this particular article. And you want to go through it, read it, and then write a very short summary of what they are talking about. For example, I already did it for just for the sake of example. I wrote like a very short summary of a particular article, how to build confidence. So this is something that you want to do. You want to write something very short based on information that you've gained online, most probably off of Google. Now, if you already know the topic or the niche very well, so obviously you won't have to do this, but if you don't, this is a really good way to go and find content. So once you've done this, step number three is to create your videos. And how you're going to do this is you're going to go to a website called invideo.io. So this is an online video creation tool that allows you to create different kinds of videos. So you can create videos like video intros, you can create video ads, you can create business slideshows, business presentations, invites and wishes. You can create video collages. So this is an online video creation tool that allows you to create different kinds of videos based on certain templates. So they already provide you with a ton of different templates that you can use and create videos from. But the one feature that we're going to use here is this one here, text to video. So what this means is they allows you to create video off of text that you provide to the tool. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you're going to do to create videos for step 3 is click on text to video. And once you've done that, you're going to select which dimensions you want to go for. So since we are creating YouTube videos, you want to click on the wide dimension. If you were creating videos for, let's say, TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you would go for vertical. But this one, we're going to click on wide. So you click on wide. And then once you've done that, you are going to choose a particular template to start working on. So one template that you can use, let's say we were to pick this one here. This one is called Graceful. So you can pick this particular template. And once you pick that, just click on use this template and then just give the website a few minutes to populate the template. And you will be brought to this page. And then on this page, what you're going to do, you're going to add your headline and your article. So for example, I already created mine. So for the title will be How to Build Confidence. How to build confidence, and the story will be what I wrote down here. So this one, let me highlight this, copy, and let me paste it here. There you go, and then I have my title. Once you've done that, you simply click on next for the software to create that video for you. Now, one other thing you can do is you can simply add an URL. So if you have a website where you already have an article that you want to turn into a video, you can simply add the URL here and it will grab the article off of that URL. So this is something else that you can do as well. So for us, we'll just do this one and we'll click on next. And then you're going to give the software a few seconds, a few minutes to populate and create that video for you. It really does not take that long. As you can see, it's loading very, very quickly. And once it's loaded, we are going to edit the videos if it needs to be edited. So once the loading is done, you will be presented to this particular page here where you will see that the software has come up with a bunch of different scenes based on what you wrote in your article. So if we play some of this just to look how it looks like. So this is the first scene, how to build confidence. This is what would be shown as the first scene. And then this one will be the second scene. Just as you can build positive self-confidence, there are things that can erode it. And that's the third scene. Figure out where your lack of confidence stems from. So as you can see, this is basically how it will look like. You just provide the software with your text and then it will turn it into video, which is basically what this channel has done here. You know, they've turned text or articles into a bunch of different videos, and this is exactly what this tool will do for you as well. Now, if there is a scene that does not correlate with what is written in your article, you can always edit and change it and change the scene and add something else. So there's a bunch of different things that you can do through this particular software. So once you've created your videos from InVideo.io, step number 4 now is to create your thumbnail. So to create your thumbnail, you can simply go to canva.com, which is an online photo editing tool that allows you to edit a bunch of photos or videos that you might have. And as you can see, I create my own thumbnails a lot of the times. You know, thumbnail creation is not as hard as you might think. So you can play around with Canva and create your own thumbnails on this particular online tool. And once you've done that, step number 5 now is to upload your videos on YouTube. Okay, so upload your video, upload your thumbnail. Don't forget to add a description. Don't forget to add your affiliate link as well once you've signed up for Mindvalley's affiliate program. And you know, as you post more and more content on YouTube and gain more and more views and traffic, eventually some of those traffic will click on your affiliate link and they will go and buy your affiliate product. And finally, step number 6 is to rinse and repeat. Everything I showed you can be done in like half an hour. So you can create 1 or 2 videos like this every single day. And if you do this consistently, targeting those keywords, eventually you will start building a nice traffic, which will turn into a nice income for you. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. You've liked this really cool little side hustle that can earn you up to $100 a day online. And if you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.